Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Olumide, representing Media Photography and Films. Welcome you also, the new subscribers. You're welcome to my channel. And on this channel, what I do is I drop tutorial videos about photography, about graphics design and creative designs or whatnot. I drop my behind the scenes videos. I know I've been away for a while to my returning subscribers. I'm back like I never left then. So let's just go straight to the point. For this time that I'm back, I'm coming with a banger, something very short and very classy for us, for photographers, for creative designers, for UI UX designers and the rest, as long as you deal with digital image and you use Adobe packages, man. That's life for us all in the creative industry. So straight to the point, today's tutorial is based on how to, so I'm going to be teaching us how to convert a bulk or batch of photos from RAW to JPEG. Now, a lot of us battle with these things. You shoot an event, you forget to switch from RAW to JPEG, or you forget to switch from RAW to RAW plus JPEG, and then the client says, I need all the JPEG pictures because that's the contract you signed with your client. And then you're like, oh man, so I have to start converting these pictures one by one. But I've come right now to give a stop to that. So we're going to put a stop to that for those of you that don't know how to put a stop to that right now. So we're just going to go straight to the point and hit the nail on the head. So basically I'm going to show us how to do this, how to edit batch raw photos and convert them to JPEG. Now there's a big difference between, not really big, between raw images and JPEG. RAW gives you more options, from exposure to contrast to shadows to white light to highlights and everything in one single panel. But the JPEG, you have to open Adobe Photoshop itself if that's what you want to use, and in terms of Lightroom you have more room also to do your edits. So that's just the difference between RAW and JPEG. JPEG doesn't give you that much option to do that. So going straight to today's tutorial. So if you're just joining us, if you're just watching this video, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining in. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below the screen right now. So I'll just go straight to the point. So I'm going to load. I have PS open already, that's Photoshop. So I'm going to show you how to convert a batch of pictures from RAW to JPEG or any other format you want. So first step is you open PS, you open Photoshop, then you go to File, and from File you go to Scripts. From Script you go to Image Processor. Now this image processor has a panel that converts your batch images from RAW to JPEG. That's what it does for you, and you can do a lot of things with it. Also, I'll show us as we go. So I have these images I shot for my nephew's naming ceremony, and I would like to do that. Why? Because family is everything, according to Vin Diesel. So yes, family is everything. So I'm just going to load these pictures from New Photos, and I'll select the folder where I put them, family here. So we click OK, and then you can either decide to save in a same location as which you picked the images from, or you decide to select your own folder. So I've created a new folder in my pictures. I created folder as new, and I can decide to use this my pictures folder as well and say select folder, because Photoshop is going to create a folder for you named JPEG. So I'll just go pictures. Okay, this new, let me take out this one I've done before, delete this, and then here we have new as our folder. So as you can see here, it's showing JPEG. It's created a new folder. So You can save as JPEG. You can resize to fit if your client says, or you want to convert your images to be in square form in total, like 600 by 600, 900 by 1000, depending on whatever size you want to resize it to fit. You can click on resize to fit, then you put in your dimensions. You can decide to convert profiles to sRGB, but we are not doing all of that. You can decide to save as PSD, as a Photoshop format, Photoshop document rather, but we are not doing all of that. You can decide to save as TIFF for large format printing and all of that. And so this is my favorite part. You can decide to run an action on it and say frequency separation. Probably you have the action installed on PS and you want to run it, or you want to add some effects, vignette selection, and add on all the images. Please note that whatever you do here applies to all the images you're shooting, you're converting. So after this, you just have selected our import folder and I've selected our export folder. I kind of use 10 as my quality just to maintain the proper standard that we have imported the pictures from. So all we have to do is click on run. Specify destination folder. Oh, we didn't specify that. Okay, so we'll do folder, pictures, and new. Select folder. Okay, and that's it. And we click on run. So now, the output of all the images coming out faster depends on how well and how good your system is, how okay your system is, how wonderful your system is. The configuration of the system determines this. So I use an HP Envy X360, so we all know all about it. 7th, 8th generation Core i7 and all that. So if you're watching this video and you like what you've seen so far, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like and share this video. If you have any other questions, you can drop them in the comment section. I'll attend to them ASAP because I'm here for you anytime. So our pictures are ready and let's just go to the folder and check it out. So we'll go to go to pictures. Don't forget we created a new folder, so new, and then we have it in JPEG and we have all our images in JPEG. So it's that simple. It's that simple. So thank you for watching this video. That we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope to see you again next week when I drop a new video. Don't forget to check out my previous videos. I have a video tutorial on how to remove a background from the picture in 5 minutes and how I shot a Budweiser ad in less than 10 minutes with just one camera and edited it. So thank you very much and God bless you. See you next time. Peace out.